Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a Sprout Social tutorial for beginners. In this video we will talk about the different uses of Sprout Social, the different membership plans, how to create a Sprout Social account, how to connect your social media profile with Sprout Social, and we will also do a walkthrough of the interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. There are many ways in which you can use Sprout Social. Click on the product menu in the top navigation bar, and here you can see how you can use Sprout Social based on your product. You can use it for engagement, in which you can streamline and effectively scale monitoring and engagement efforts with a unified social inbox. Publishing and scheduling. You can effortlessly plan, create, manage, and deliver social content and campaigns as a team. Analytics. You can drive strategic decision making across the business with access to rich social data and analytics. Listening. You can uncover trends and actionable insights from social conversions to better inform marketing strategy. Employee advocacy. You can amplify your social reach and drive better marketing results by empowering employees to become brand advocates. You can also use Sprout Social according to your requirements. To know more, click on the By Need menu at the top navigation bar, and here you can see how you can use Sprout Social according to your need. You can use Sprout Social by use case, by business type, by industry, and by network. Under by use case, you can use Sprout Social for social management, customer care, data and intelligence, social amplification, and social commerce. Under by business type, you can use Sprout Social for enterprise, small business, and agency. Under by industry, you can use Sprout Social for travel and hospitality, computer and software, retail, and higher education. Under by network, you can use Sprout Social for Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Now let's see the pricing of Sprout Social. Click on the pricing tab in the top navigation bar. This is the pricing page, and you can see that Try Sprout Social is available for free with a 30-day trial in all the plans. You can discover the most robust and cohesive social media business solution built to scale. You can upgrade as you grow or cancel anytime. Sprout Social has 3 membership plans. First is the standard plan. You can get it at $89 per user per month if billed annually, or at $99 per user per month if billed monthly. Second is the professional plan. You can get it at $149 per user per month if billed annually, or at $169 per user per month if billed monthly. And the third is the advanced plan. You can get it at $249 per user per month if billed annually, or at $279 per user per month if billed monthly. You can continue with a 30 days trial with any membership plan. Here we are continuing with the standard plan. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button. You can create an account and use Sprout Social in 4 easy steps. This is the first step, which is signing up. On the sign up page here, enter your first name and last name here. Then enter your email address and then create a password. And then finally click on the Create Account button. Now this is the second step, in which you have to connect your social profiles with Sprout Social. First, you need to either connect your Twitter account or Facebook account, which is compulsory. But later, you can also connect your Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, WhatsApp, and TikTok profiles. Here we are going to connect our Twitter account. Click on the Twitter profile button. Now you will be taken to the Twitter login page. On this page here, you can also see what access are you providing to Sprout Social after authorizing them. We recommend you to read all these accesses carefully before authorizing Sprout Social. And once you have decided to continue ahead, then here enter your Twitter username or email address, and here enter your password, and then click on the Authorize App button. After successfully logging in and authorizing, you will be redirected back to Sprout Social. Now, if you wish, you can connect the remaining social profiles or else click on the next button. This is the third step, in which you have to customize your account. Here enter your organization's name, then from the drop-down select how many people work there. Then select the option for Are you a social media agency? Then select your country from the drop-down, select your time zone, and lastly select your preferred language, and finally click on the next button. In the fourth and final step, you have to select interests. Select the option for what best describes your role, and lastly tick a response for I am here too. You can select all options that are applicable to you, and then finally click on the Finish button. Then you will be taken to your dashboard with a welcome screen. Now let's do a walkthrough of the interface. In the top of the left sidebar, you will see your social media agency's name. In the left sidebar, you will see tabs of Dashboard, Smart Inbox, Tasks, Feeds, Publishing, Listening, Reports, People, and Reviews. Click on the Smart Inbox tab. From here, you can create filters for your agency's name. So you will be notified when someone uses your agency's name in their post even without hashtags. Next is the Tasks tab. From here you can create and view tasks for your team members. Then is the Feeds tab. Here you will see the feeds for your connected social media profile. Then comes the Publishing tab, from where you can view and schedule a post for your social profiles, and you can see it in the form of a calendar. Next is the Listening tab. From here you can listen what your audience is saying on social media. Sprout Social's robust listening features empower you to identify what your audience cares about most and to turn your social data into actionable business insights. Next is the Reports tab. From here you can view all the reports and statistics about your social profiles and Sprout Social account. Then there's the People tab, and on this page you will see some suggested social profiles that you might be interested to follow. And in the last, there is the Reviews tab. In this page you can monitor and strengthen your online reputation. You can connect your reviews profiles to manage and respond in one place. In the right sidebar, you will also see some icons. The first icon is the compose icon that you can use to make a post on your social profile. Next is Team Conversions, in which you can view and chat with other members in the team or group. Then is Shared Links, in which you can share and view the links that are shared within the team and group. Next is the Connect a Profile icon, from where you can connect your other social media profiles. Next is the Invite a Team Member icon, from where you can send invitations to other members to join your team or group. Then comes the Search icon, which you can use to search on your connected social media platform. Next is Keyboard Shortcuts, from where you can see the keyboard shortcuts for easy use of the platform. And the last one is Resource Center. From here you can find knowledge-based articles and also get help and support from the Sprout Social support team. So this was a complete walkthrough and tutorial on Sprout Social. With this, we have completed our Sprout Social tutorial for beginners. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.